This is about as big as I've ever seen the waves on the lake. Lake Chapala. Okay, I'm going to walk out to the lighthouse. Hold on to my hat. It's so windy. I hope you can hear me with the wind blowing the microphone. Look at those waves. I'm getting wet right here. This is the Lake Chapala video of the wave. Once before I saw it like similar to this. It just got wet. Okay, we're going to go out here by where the boats all dock. I'm sure there's no boats running to the island today. I hope the people out there got provisions enough to stay overnight, because I don't think this wind's going to calm down. This is this storm that's off the Pacific Ocean that we've been getting a little bit of rain from the last 2 or 3 days. I mean, this is water. The electricity is off also in Chapala right now in the whole town, the whole city. Different places to take different pictures. I should have left my hat in the car. Look at the water getting up on here on me. Top of that dock. I'll come up closer to it. This will probably be a short video. It might be long. Look at the lights on the boats. Right straight out. Now the boats are all okay, right here. I'm going to stop up here. You can look right over this. Wet right here. This dock needs some work done on it. It needs some new planks. I mean, that's something. And the sun is about ready to set. Might be a good sunset tonight. There's a tower over here in the harbor because it's protected a little bit on this side. Bye-bye. A lot of people out there taking pictures, and I have to hold on to my hat, and I don't think I've had to hold on to my hat ever. Now, it's a lot calmer in here where it's protected. There's a bunch of ducks in here coming in. They're staying in the protected water. By the lighthouse, it'll be pretty good. water coming out of the wall. Okay, we're gonna go. It's here. We got rain coming. A lot of people take pictures. Waves here in the open side. Now the wind is coming directly from there. From Mount Garcia. That's the direction the wind is coming. Right there. South-southwest. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching this YouTube video. And please tell your friends that I have some good videos up and some bad videos. Tell me what